Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. It's Jenny and we're back in the store. We're at a marketplace store. Yes, and we've got a run deal. So get your shoes on while we are exploring the store. And you know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in because I'm about to tell you about it. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, go ahead and subscribe, and that way you won't miss any of our field trips and our awesome information. And just being one of our crazy friends, it's a great place to be. And everybody, please share the video. It's so important that you share because YouTube is asking us for 1,000 views on our videos. So please share it and ask your friends to share it with just a notation. Love you bunches for all of that. And of course, leave us a comment. We got some new items, guys. So you can leave us a comment if you'd like to. If you've tried some of these new items, give us a heads up. Let us know what you think. Alright, everybody. Like I said, we got a couple of run deals. And this may not be considered a run deal because, as you can see, there's such a variety and there's so many on the shelves. But it is a really good deal that I wanted to tell you about. Nature Valley protein bars, your fruit and nut, your crunchies, all are on sale. Buy two, they're 2 for $6, okay? You've got a $1 off coupon for 2, alright? But you also have a $1 off, $1.50, excuse me. $1.25 coupon off on one and 75 cents off on one. That's $2 off. So you're going to pay $4 for 2 of these instead of 5. Okay. Oh, what else over here? Like I said, that's not necessarily a run deal. It's just a really good deal. Let me tell you, for like under $10, you can get the Nature Valley granola bars, and then you can get 4 General Mills cereals because you also have a $1.50 off of one box and a $1 off of another. So, and of course, those coupons may vary, guys. Okay, some coupons, the amounts may vary simply because of the region that you're in. And some people don't even get the certain coupons, but the majority of us do. Okay, we've got peelies, and the peelies are on the General Mills. $1 on one box, guys. So 2 peelies, and you're paying $6 for 4 boxes. What is that, $1.50 a box? Yeah, winner chicken dinner. And this aisle, well, these are things that you might need for your 4th of July celebration. You don't have to go all the way to Walmart and get some of these things. You get a really good deal here. $5.50 on the Kraft mayonnaise, you've got a $2 off. $5 on the Hellmann's, you've got a $2 off. So $6.50 for both of these mayonnaises. But I want you to remember, this one will even work on a $4.25. So that's $2.75 for this big jar of mayonnaise. Okay? I'm almost got tempted to get that today myself. I think I'm going to. Because as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's only 4 left. So let's consider this one a run deal, because this one's going to be gone. Shelves are going to be cleared, guys, on this. Okay, next up, we've got Sweet Baby Ray's, 2 for $3, regular $2.50. So again, that's another good deal. And the mac and cheese for the kids, 3 for $3. That's an excellent deal, guys. And of course, 2 for $4 on the Bush's baked beans. Again, another great price for something you can do for the 4th of July. And this is just a good deal. Not necessarily for your 4th of July unless you just don't like grilling out. But this is buy one, of the Classico pasta sauces for $3 and get the Clover Valley spaghetti noodles or ankle hair for free. So that's $3 pretty much for a meal, okay? Especially if you got, okay, all they've got is the roasted garlic and the tomato basil and the creamy Alfredo and the 4-cheese Alfredo. So, really good deal, guys. Now, let's talk about the Powerade deal. You've got a coupon for $1 off when you purchase 5. And they're on sale 3 for $3. So purchase $6 or 6 of them. You got $1 off. You can be paying $5 for 6. And that's a winner chicken dinner deal. That's less than $1 a piece. We got new urns on the Snuggle stuff right here to match with this deal right here. We've got urns on this for sale. Well, it's no longer on sale, guys. Hopefully you got in on your oil deal. It is still paying you $2. Okay. For $6.95 for this one. It's still paying you $2 for each one. That's still cheaper than the store, even if you missed out on the sale. Alright, let's talk about this Dove deal real quick. It's working on this $5 Dove right here, and the men's $5.50. So for $7.50, you get both men and women's Dove products, okay? It's not working on the larger $11 products. For the men, it's not buy one, get one half off. It's only, for whatever reason, it's only giving you the $5.50 men's half off, okay? Because it's 11 ounces or the 30.6 ounce Axe product. Okay, this is going to be 2 more run deals, okay? Look, save $1.50 on Tone. That's half price. That's $1.65 on Tone body wash, $1.65. They pretty well stocked here, but this is going to be a run deal because this is going to be cleared out for $1.65. Okay. Alright. Now, this is the deal we're after, guys, because we've got a $6 on 3 and an instant savings of $5. See, look, until July 19, they're covering it up. 3 of these is $16.50, $6 off, and then 5 is $11 coming off. So you'll be paying $5 and change for 3 of these. So yeah, we cannot not get this. I'm sorry. So we're gonna get this one. We'll get the Shea Moisture, and we could do the other exfoliant one. So we got 3 of these. This is fantastic, guys. $5. I mean, you're buying 1 and getting 2 for free. Okay? You can do the same thing with the Irish Spring, and that is a instant savings. So it will work with this coupon right here. 3 for $19, okay? Minus 6. Because that's the sale price. You have a $6 coupon that's going to attach to that, and another $5. So you're going to be paying $8 and change for 3 of these boxes of Irish Spring soap, if that's what you like. So that's your run deal. You got a couple of different run deals in this video, guys. Wow. Look over here. We're getting a lot of orange tickets. I think those are just leftovers, maybe, since I don't see anything in the slot. Okay, what do we got here? Save $2 when you buy 2 Aussies. Instant savings on your route to Inn. And we do have a $3 off on the Garnier Futress. We have a $3 off on the Rose Hips. Let me scan this because I want to see what the actual price is on this. And we've got a $5 off two Tresemme hair cares. It's working on these $5 Tresemmes, guys. So 2 for $5 is what this will cost you. Okay, in the marketplace store, of course, we have fresh produce, a lot of fresh items. Okay, and sometimes it's cheaper or as cheap as the store. So, I mean, I'm actually picking up these because you got a $1.50 off coupon and they're $4.95. They're not $4.95 anywhere that I know of, not even at Walmart. So for them to be $4.95 here and to have a $1.50 coupon off, yes, I'm picking that up. Now, for those of you who have not tried this particular rolled hamburger and chuck, this is really good hamburger and chuck. Look how neat and organized they have their clearance. Oh, look at that. Look at all the razors, the Venus. They have a lot of good stuff still on their clearance, guys. We might have maybe another short one in our future. Well, of course we will, because summer will soon be over and we'll have another clearance sale then. Okay, we've got a green dot, purple dot, and purple clover. Buy one, get one free home sale. And of course, we got that 5 off 25 all week long for some of this stuff. If you feel the need to get some of this stuff right here. Oh, and we got a save 3 when you spend $10 on foam bowls, and on the hinge ones we've got a $1 coupon off, so it'd be a total of 4 off of 10, so $6 for $10 worth of foam products. Alright, this is a great way to get towels, guys, and washcloths. You know, buy one, get one free. For $5, you get 2 of these. You do this during the week, you get your extra 5 off 25. And you can get a whole set of towels. Oh, we are out in the car, and look at this, guys. We are also getting paper 5 off 25s for the week. Oh, this is going to be so exciting.
Just like the pounding in the basement.
This is my receipt, guys. I got the 3 body washes, I got the Kraft mayonnaise, and I got the Johnsonville brats. Look at that. I saved $13. My out-of-pocket was actually $13 and some change before taxes. Here it's more taxes. Evidently, yeah. 11.5% on certain things, and on food it's less, but look at that savings. That is phenomenal. Okay, and like I said, this is a daily deal. You don't have to get it all at one time if you don't want to, because you've got your 5 off 25 coming, and this right here was half of that, just about. Okay, so if you don't want to get that today, you can get it tomorrow. If you don't want to get it all, you don't have to get it all. You can get it in bits and pieces. If you just want to go get the $2.75 mayonnaise, you can do that. If you want to go get the $5 and change body wash, you can go get that. Or the $3 and change Johnsonville brat. I mean, there you go. Everybody's needs are different, but everybody's got needs. I love you bunches, and I'll see you again next video, because like I said, it's going to be so fun this week with this new 5 off 25 and all these deals that we've got going on. Okay, such as these potato chips. We're going to roll with that, and the ice cream. And like I said, it's 4th of July, and you got celebrating to do. So, blessings. See you next time.